Hello everyone, welcome to a new video. So let's get started. So today we are going to see how to import a YouTube video in CapCut. So at first we have to open our web browser and come to YouTube. Then we have to click on the top right and click on icon. Click to YouTube Studio. Then find the video you want to download. Of course, you can only download with your own videos because they are the ones we can download. Select content on the left and find the video. Then press the three dots to the right. Then press download and wait. Now that it's downloaded, you can return to CapCut. Press import in the top left in the media section of CapCut. Find the video, select it and press open. Drag it into your timeline and that's it, you have imported it. Thank you so much for watching our video. If you liked it, please do not forget to like, share and subscribe, and we will see you on the next one.